Hi everyone, in this video we are going to build a hand gesture controlled car, and the car uses two Arduino modules and two NRF modules to communicate wirelessly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Receiver part, that is the car, we are using this chassis. We are using the BB motors. We are using four BB motors. I have connected the wires as you can see. Then to control the motors, we are going to use the L298 motor drivers. We are using two L298 motor drivers over here. As the main microcontroller, we are using the Arduino Uno. Then we are using the NRF module to make the Arduino communicate wirelessly with the transmitter. 0.7 lithium ion batteries. We are using two of them. For the wheels, we are using these mechanism wheels. These wheels these wheels make the car move omnidirectionally. That is, the car can move freely in any direction. So here we have finished the connection for our card and the receiver. Now we will do the circuit for the transmitter. To build the transmitter of our card, we are going to use one Arduino Nano, one MPU6050 accelerometer module, and one NRF module. The NRF module communicates wirelessly between the transmitter and the receiver, and this MPU6050 module is actually the gyroscope or the accelerometer. This sends the readings in the form of numbers directly from our hand movements, and then those numbers are transmitted wirelessly through the NRF module into the receiver. Using the circuit diagram as reference, I have connected all the components of the transmitter on this Vero board. You can see. Now we have completed the connection for all the transmitter and the receiver, and now it is time to upload the code on both of them. This is the final look for the transmitter. I have attached it to a hand gloves, and this is how it looks. I'm using two 3.7 volt batteries to control the transmitter as well. So that is it for this video. We will meet again in a new video. Till then, take care, bye bye, and thanks for watching this video.